Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries. This operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your browser. So all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it and then tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got some basic options which we can remove, I would say, because we've got the visited websites, tabs, opened tabs, of course, cookies cache and other site data. We can change the time range from 15 minutes to, for example, all time, and then tap on clear data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options. And here we've got the section with advanced browsing history like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So just mark the options, change the time range, up to you totally. I will choose all time, and then tap on delete data. And basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.